Good morning, students. How are you? Okay. Before class, I explained concept in terms of normality. Normality not completed. So normality, some concept completed. Normality means constant term. Molarity completed. Molarity completed. Mole fraction completed. Molarity also completed. So normality. Normality can be defined as the number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is known as normality. How can calculate equivalent weight? Equivalent weight can be expressed in grams, gram equivalent weight. How can calculate equivalent weight? Number of moles means we know, weight by gram molecular weight. How can calculate gram equivalent weight? Gram equivalent of any substance, any element. Equivalent weight of element equal to atomic weight by valency. Yesterday given. Equivalent weight of element equal to atomic weight by valency. Next. Equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight by basicity. Basicity. Next one is equivalent weight of base equal to molecular weight by acidity. Yesterday I explained basicity. Simply basicity definition yesterday already given. Simply equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight by basicity. Basicity means simple, the number of replaceable H plus ions present in one molecule of acid. Or another definition also. Yesterday given one definition and another definition. Basicity means the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms by metal ion in one molecule of acid. The number of replaceable hydrogen atoms by metal ion in one molecule of an acid. One molecule of an acid is known as basicity. Yesterday given one definition, that also correct, it is also correct. The number of replaceable hydrogen atoms by metal ion in one molecule of an acid is known as basicity. Acids having basicity, bases having acidity. Yesterday given some examples. So HCl basicity 1, HNO3 basicity 1, H2SO4 basicity 2, phosphoric acid H3PO4 3, H3PO3 2, because sulfuric H2SO4, sulfuric acid H3PO4, phosphoric acid H3PO3, phosphorus acid. In oxyacids, basicity means hydrogen atom attached to central atom through oxygen atom, that is considered as a basicity. Anyway, yesterday given some examples. Basicity HCl1, HNO3 1, H2SO4 2 and H3PO4. H3PO4 name phosphoric acid. H3PO4 basicity 3, H3PO3 basicity 2, because H3PO4, H3PO3 and H2SO4, these are oxyacids. In oxyacid, basicity means the hydrogen atom attached to central atom through oxygen, that is considered as a basicity. So these are equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight by basicity. And another one is equivalent weight of base equal to molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means the number of hydroxyl groups present in one molecule of a base, one molecule of a base is known as acidity. The number of OH groups present in one molecule of a base is known as acidity. For example, acidity of NaOH equal to 1 and acidity of magnesium hydroxide equal to 2. Next another name, acidity of aluminum hydroxide how much? 3. So anyway, sodium hydroxide acidity how much? 1. Magnesium hydroxide 2, aluminum hydroxide 3. So it is a equivalent weight of base, molecular weight by acidity. Last one is equivalent weight of salt equal to molecular weight by total charge of cation or anion. Total charge of cation or anion. Equivalent weight of salt equal to molecular weight by total charge of cation or anion. In this case, for example, equivalent weight of NaCl equal to molecular weight 58.5 by 1, that means 58.5. Next, equivalent weight of calcium chloride equal to 111, molecular weight 111, before class given, by 2, that means 55.5 by 5, 55.5. Okay, next, equivalent weight of MgCl2 equal to 95 by 2, that means 47.5, like that. Okay, equivalent weight of salt equal to molecular weight by total charge of cation or anion. So these are equivalent weight of acid to base salt. And another one is, so these are in normality, without equivalent weight or normality calculation not possible. So normality can be defined as the number of gram equivalent weight can be expressed in grams is known as gram equivalent weight. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is known as normality. So anyway, normality is denoted by symbol N. N means normality. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is known as normality. So normality is denoted by symbol N. So normality N equal to, formula weight of solute by gram equivalent weight of solute into 1000 by volume in ml. These are first formula, volume in ml. And another formula same, normality N equal to over R. Another formula, weight of solute by gram equivalent weight of solute into 1 by volume in liters. That is another formula. So normality N equal to weight of solute by gram equivalent weight of solute into 1 by volume in liters. So it is a normality. So normality definition, the number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Weight of solute by equivalent weight. Equivalent of solute. Equivalent weight of solute. Weight by equivalent weight of solute into 1 by volume in liters, 1000 by volume in. Anyway, weight by equivalent, weight of solute by equivalent weight of solute consider as a gram equivalent weight, that also correct. Anyway, normality equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml, weight of solute by equivalent weight of solute into 1 by volume in liters. So these are normality. Normality units are normality also depends on temperature, like that molarity. Molarity depends on temperature. As temperature increases, normality of the solution decreases. So normality units gram equivalents per liter. Normality units gram equivalents per liter. GEW means gram equivalents per liter. Simply units of normality. Units of normality gram equivalents per liter. Gram equivalents per liter. Equivalents per liter, that is a normality units. Units of normality gram equivalents per liter. Gram equivalents and all. So normality. Now I will give problem. Calculate the normality of solution containing 4.9 grams of H2SO4 in 500 ml of solution. Calculate the normality of solution containing 4.9 grams of H2SO4 in 500 ml of solution. In this case, normality formula, N equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. So equivalent weight of H2SO4, we want first equivalent weight of H2SO4 equal to molecular weight by basicity. Molecular weight how much? 98 by 2, how much? 49. But in molarity we are keep here 98, but normality, but here 49 required, that formula. Normality equal to weight how much? 4.9 by 49 into 1000 by 500 ml. These are 2 time cancel. So these are 10 time cancel. So 2 by 10 means 0.2 N. N means normality. 0.2 normal. So that answer 2 times 10 to 2 by 10 means 0.2. Calculate the normality of solution containing 4.9 grams of H2SO4 in 500 ml of solution. So normality equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. 4.9 by 49 into 1000 by 500. These are 2 time cancel. 10 time. 2 by 10 means 0.2. So it is a normality problem. Okay. Understand point? Understand problem, dear students? Very easy. So very basic points, very important. Calculate the normality of sodium carbonate. Calculate the normality of 5.3% W by V. W by means weight to volume percent. Calculate the normality of 5.3% W by V. Weight by volume solution of Na2CO3. Na2CO3. In this case, 5.3% W by V means, once listen, 5.3% W by V means 5.3 grams of solute dissolving 100 ml of solution, meaning 100 ml of solution, that meaning. So 5.3% W by V means W by weight volume, 5.3% weight volume means 5.3 grams of solute dissolving 100 ml of the solution, that meaning your volume 100 ml. So normality equal to weight by equivalent weight. So simply weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. So equivalent weight of Na2CO3 equivalent weight of Na2CO3 equal to 106 by 2, that means 53. Why? Sodium carbonate, it is a salt. 2 Na plus CO3 2 minus, charge 2 plus 2 minus, these are charge 2, so salt 106 by 2, that is 53. Sodium carbonate equivalent weight of sodium carbonate equal to molecular weight by total charge of cation or anion. So sodium Na2 Na plus 2 CO3 minus 2, so 106 by 2 53. 2 sodium ions. Dear students, listen. Sodium carbonate means simply sodium carbonate, it ionizes to form 2 Na plus CO3 2 minus, that means 2 Na plus, like that. After that, next are completed. So normality N equal to 5.3 by equivalent weight how much? 53 into 1000 by 100. These are 10 times cancel. These are 10 times cancel. 10 by 10 means 1 normality. Yeah, 10 times 53 by 53 1 normal. So these are normality model problems. So these are concentration terms. Same normal solution means 1 N. Semi-normal means 0.5 N. Decinormal means 0.1 N. Centinormal means 0.01 N. Next, millinormal means 0.001 N, like that. Molar, semi-molar 0.5, decimolar 0.1 M, like that. Normal solution 1 N, semi-normal 0.5 N, decinormal 0.1, centinormal 0.01 N, millinormal 0.001 N. So these are different concentration terms, different normality of solution. So semi-normal, decinormal, centinormal, millinormal, so normal solution or one normal solution. So these are constant terms, molarity, normality, mole fraction, like that. These are all our concentration terms. Okay, and the next another one is the constant term completed in physical chemistry. Next one is in the bridge course. Another one is, we know acids and bases. Acids containing, according to Arrhenius theory, acid is a chemical substance having hydrogen atom produces H plus ions in aqueous solution. You know acids. Base is a chemical substance containing OH group and produces OH minus ions in aqueous solution. According to Arrhenius theory, strong acids. Example of strong acids. Acids and bases. Next one. Acids and bases. According to Arrhenius theory, strong acids. Strong acid means HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, SClO4. SClO4 name perchloric acid. Remaining hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These are strong acids. So these are strong acids. Okay. Next one, strong bases. Strong bases. NaOH, KOH, rubidium hydroxide, cesium hydroxide and barium hydroxide. So these are all strong bases. Strong acids and strong bases. Next another one is weak acids. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. Carbonic acid, hydrogen cyanide acid, phosphoric acid, H3PO4, phosphorus acid, H3PO3, like that, etc. These are all weak acids. So, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, H3PO3, phosphorus acid, hydrocyanic acid, HCN means hydrocyanic acid, carbonic acid, acetic acid, carbonic acid, hydrocyanic acid, phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid. Last one is us, phosphorus acid before phosphoric acid, weak acids. And weak bases. Weak bases means ammonium hydroxide. Next, aluminum hydroxide, copper hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide and copper hydroxide and zinc hydroxide. So these are our weak bases. So strong acids, strong bases, weak acids and weak bases. Strong acids, strong bases, weak acids and weak bases. Anyway, according to Arrhenius theory, Arrhenius means old theory in 10th class standard. According to Arrhenius theory, acid is a chemical substance having hydrogen atoms produces H plus ions in aqueous solution. H plus means proton. Base is a chemical substance having OH group, hydroxyl group produces OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Strong acid means easily produces H plus ions. Strong bases means easily more number of OH minus ions producing. So these are strong acids are completely ionized. Weak acids are incompletely ionized. Ionized means split into ions. So these are strong acids and strong bases, weak acids and weak bases. Next another one is very important, pH. pH full form potent of hydrogen. Potent of hydrogen or hydrogen. pH can be. pH scale was first introduced by Sorensen. pH can be defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is known as pH. pH equal to minus log of H plus ion. pH equal to, or another one is pH equal to 1 by log H plus. Anyway, these are better. pH equal to minus logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is known as pH. Generally, pH contain concentration. Generally, concentration is square bracket. pH contain, generally pH contain 0 to 14 units. 0 to 14 units. So middle 7. Middle 7. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that. So here 14, 12, 13. Generally 0 to 7, these are called below 7. Below 7 acid. Above 7 no base. Equal to 7, that is a neutral. Okay. pH value less than 7. pH value less than 7, the solution nature is acidic nature. pH value greater than 7, the solution nature is basic nature. pH value equal to 7, the solution is neutral. If the solution neutral means pH value is 7. So in pH scale, so general value less than 7 value, the solution is acidic nature. If the pH scale greater than 7 value, the solution nature basic nature. Equal to 7, the solution nature neutral nature. Anyway, in pH scale below 7 acid, above 7 base, equal to 7 neutral. That is a pH. By using pH scale, by using H plus concentration, how can calculate pH value? pH problems also are important, required. Calculate the pH value of 0.01 molar HCl solution. Here molar means molarity. Here molar means molarity. Generally, HCl produces 1 H plus and 1 chloride ion, 1 H plus. 1 H plus concentration equal to 0.01 molar. 0.01 molar means here converted into 10 nanomoles. That means 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 m molar. General, these are digits. 0.01 converted into 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, in this case, formula pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. That means minus log of H plus means how much? 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. pH concepts we want logarithm values up to 5 required. Up to 5 means we know log base 10 is there. Log 1 value always 0. And the base 10 will be log 2 value 0.3010. Don't forget. Compulsory we want logarithm values log 1 to log 5 required. Anyone. Log 10, log 3 value 0.4771. Log 4 value 0.6021 and log 5 value 0.6990. Compulsory, my dear students, remembering logarithm values 1 to 5. Base 10 will be, some books won't give base 10. Log 1 value always 0. Log 2 value 0.3010. Log 3 value 0.4771. Log 4 value 0.6021. Log 5 value 0.6990. Compulsory remembering all log 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value and 5 value. Once again, log 1 value always 0. Log 2 value 0.3010. log 3 value 0.4771, log 4 value 0.6021, log 5 value 0.6990. Okay. Now in this pH equal to formula minus log of H plus. Anyway, so here pH equal to minus log of H plus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That means here minus log AB equal to log A plus B. Log 1 here base 10 plus log 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, minus log 1 value always 0. 0 plus log A power x equal to log A power x equal to log A power x equal to x log A. Here mass. That means log minus 2 log 10. Okay. Minus 2 log A power x equal to x log A. Log 10 value 1. Log 10 value 1. Here log base 10. Log 10 value 1. That means minus 0, simply minus 0, 1, minus 2, minus into minus plus, that means plus 2 value will come. Anyway, 0.01 molar HCl solution pH value how much? Plus 2. How? 0.01 m means 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. I substituted value pH equal to minus log 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, minus log AB equal to log A plus B. Log AB equal to log A plus B. Here which form? Log AB equal to log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. Log A power x equal to x log A. Log 10 to the power minus 2 equal to minus 2. Log 10 value 1. That means, so minus 0, minus 2 minus plus. So plus 2 will come. So in this problem, 0.01 molar HCl solution pH value how much? So plus 2. That is one type of pH problem. Okay students, today enough. What I explained problems under formulas remembering compulsory at home once practice. Anyone doubt, once contact with me. Okay students, today enough. Remaining class tomorrow. Thank you for all.